Thanks for checking out the PS60BN. This is the tool itself. It's the PS60 12-volt max pocket recip saw. Now this tool comes with the PS60 as well as an L-BOXX inlay and two blades, a wood cutting blade and a metal cutting blade. Now this BN means it's a tool only execution, so you can pick out whichever batteries and whichever charges you want separately and design your own kit. Take the whole thing with another tool, place an L-BOXX inlay, sold separately, and you have a chance to build whatever kit you want. Now, the PS60 itself has 3,000 strokes per minute. It's a mini recip saw. We call it the pocket recip because it fits right in your hand nice and small. You have a good leverage point for control on the top of it if necessary. Quick change on the blade as well as a battery indicator so you always know the status of the battery life. The tool itself stores right into your L-BOXX inlay, which fits right into an L-BOXX 1. And pick up your L-BOXX that's sold separately with the bare tool execution, but close the lid, click, and go. If you want to learn more about the entire click and go system as well as all the L-BOXXes, stay tuned.
DEWALT is changing the way work gets done with innovation for plumbing and mechanical trades, like the fastest PEX expander on the market that's made in the USA with global materials.
It makes my job a lot easier. You're not waiting on any kind of glue to dry. You're not waiting on water to drain. You're not soldering any fittings. I know it's built well, built to the standards that I need it for in my everyday work and in my trade.
Cut overhead threaded rod without chips, sparks, or burrs. No exposed blade.
I like how easy it is to use. I like the way it cuts the all thread. I'm actually really shocked at how clean it cuts this thing.
This is innovation, designed with safety and productivity in mind. All part of the 100 plus products in our 20-volt max system by DEWALT.
This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion impact driver, model WH18DGL. It's powered by a lithium-ion battery that delivers fade-free power, is lightweight, and has 3 times the total battery life of a traditional battery. It produces up to 1,280 inch-pounds of torque and is designed to drive screws and bolts even in tight spaces. For fast and easy bit changes, this impact driver is equipped with a 1/4 inch quick change. This tool will operate up to 2,400 RPM and up to 3,200 beats per minute for optimal driving and fastening capabilities. A responsive, variable speed trigger provides complete control during operation. For convenience, a bright LED light is incorporated for visibility in dark or enclosed workspaces. On-tool bit storage keeps a bit close at hand if and when you need it. It features a soft, ergonomically designed handle due to the slide battery design that offers optimal grip circumference for more comfortable use. Lightweight at just 3.1 pounds and well balanced, this cordless impact driver from Hitachi is easy to use and won't disappoint. It comes with Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty, and 1-year lithium-ion charger warranty. Additionally, you get 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and carrying case for storage.
Milwaukee introduces the M12 Fuel Digital Torque Wrench with 1 key, the industry's first digital torque wrench with a motor. Replacing the repetitive motion of hand tools or 2-tool installation process.
With the Milwaukee Digital Torque Wrench, you're looking at least half the time. You just put it on there, push the button, tension it by hand, and you're set.
I think it's going to cut the time in half, torquing bolts in gear.
How it's designed and how it's set up makes it very easy to use. You set your values underneath your torque settings. With the Milwaukee Digital Torque Wrench, I'm 100% confident that we're torquing it to what it needs to be per spec.
You get to run your torque up a little closer instead of having to hand crank everything, and then you get to digitally watch the final torque value. You get an accurate measurement every time you torque.
Being able to read what your poundage is at, that's huge for when you don't want to over-tighten anything.
It's just a lot more confidence, being able to see that number, knowing exactly where you're at.
How it's designed and how it's set up makes it very easy to use with the audible and the visual indicators on it.
The 1 key feature on the new digital torque wrench is nice because you can record the values to prove that you've done that torque. You can label which breaker you've done, which piece of equipment you've done. You're able to store and keep all of that data.
When it beeps and turns green, all you do is hit that record button and your data is saved.
using the run-up value, getting you closer to your torque value faster.
The Milwaukee Digital Torque Wrench is nice and versatile.
It's lightweight. It still has the length that you're looking for to get your torque on it.
We can use it anywhere.
Milwaukee Tool introduces the M12 Fuel Installation Drill Driver. Equipped with 4 dedicated solutions, an inline grip, and magnetic bit holder. The installation drill driver is purposely designed to access challenging locations, increasing productivity. Each solution attaches in 16 different positions, and 3 can be added to the right angle attachment for added versatility and increase access to tight and hard to reach places.
Having the drill driver's attachments makes things faster, makes things easy.
It's really nice having those different solutions for the drill because I can swap out the heads very easily and quickly and only have to bring one tool onto the job.
I've accomplished pretty much any installation scenario that's been thrown my way.
It's so versatile, and you don't even know how many ways you can use it when you first look at it. As you use it more and more, you find more places where it's like, wow, it makes this a lot easier.
A huge benefit is clearance, getting in tight spaces. Dash work, confined areas, it really gets a better angle on whatever you're getting at.
The drill body is nice and slim, which keeps profile smaller.
With the head being able to change different directions, it makes the access to the tool that much easier to use.
Any angle, any position you need to be in, the drill can do it.
I was actually pretty amazed at how much power comes out of such a small drill. The 300 inch-pounds is plenty enough to get whatever I need to get done.
I've been more efficient, more productive because it saved me more than a few trips to the truck to get a different, stronger drill because it has the torque that I need.
Instead of buying multiple tools, you have the multiple heads just changed out. So instead of purchasing 4 tools, you're purchasing one that can do it all.